Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today it's the 24th of October 2022. We're going to talk about Avalanche today to see if this particular cryptocurrency could run down to $10. You guys can see right now that it is trading around 16. We need to get in position if the market is going to go down to 10 so that we can capitalize from the move down, or if not, if it's going to go higher, then we'll get in position to play the market move higher in Avalanche. So let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. You guys can see that I did a price prediction in Avalanche on September the 1st. Which is right here. I was telling you all then at that particular moment in time that the market was going to go down in Avalanche, and it did exactly that. You guys can see that we got our ultimate TP price out the market in Avalanche right here on October the 11th. So it took a while from September the 1st to October the 11th to get the ultimate TP price of 16.5%, but it was hit. So let's go ahead and get rid of that, and let's talk about the market in Avalanche right now. You guys can see that we had a couple of days that price traded below the support area of around 16. But now the market in Avalanche is coming right back up above it. So that's going to be real crucial for us to notice whether or not Avalanche is going to be able to run down to $10. Because if it's going to hold the support area around 16, then it's going to become increasingly likely that it is not going to do just that. Now, we've been in a slow, methodical movement to the downside. So this hasn't been something out the norm, something that caught people off by surprise. The market in Avalanche has been going down seemingly since the week of August the 8th, 2022. You guys can see that price continues to be in a downtrend. So let's not be surprised, and let's not anticipate that the market in Avalanche cannot run down to $10. So I'm going to lower this support area down here, because right here on the week of October the 10th, even on the week of October the 17th, the market came down towards this low from June the 13th, 2022, the week of. So obviously, this is the basis to which the market in Avalanche wants to hold support. So we're just going to simply acknowledge that and put that on the chart. Okay, now look at this. From a monthly perspective, $10 will be the next spot for us to see the market in the Avalanche run down because of these monthly price bars right here, the month of June 2021, as well as the month of July 2021. This is going to be the next area that we will have to take note to see the buyers, period. All right, so when you see this on the 3 months chart, it's plausible to think that yes, we can actually see the market in Avalanche run down to $10. It's not out the realm of possibility. We need to consider that, albeit when I see the market in Avalanche on these daily time frames, I do see how the market is trying to move higher. I can see how buyers are trying to enter this particular space to try to keep it from happening, from falling down to $10. All right, so even though the market's not extremely bullish, I'm going to place some strength into this particular chart for Avalanche. We're going to play a slight movement to the upside in price, $17, maybe $18 as the first area of price targets. Let me see this on the hourly chart real quick, because you guys can see from this hourly chart to where the market restriction is coming in at. We already came and hit it around $16.50. This is where it's at. We held the market support back here on September the 19th, 2022, fell below it right there on October the 10th, and now we've been trying to crack ourselves back up above 1650, but right now the market doesn't look like it wants to do it. That is why I'm not that bullish into the market in Avalanche right now. Okay, let me see this on a different time frame. Let's look at this on the 7-hour chart, and you guys can literally tell that we still got rejected right there around 1640. Okay, so this area is still positioned to reflect that sellers are here, and right now it doesn't seem that the market is ready to break that 1650 to the upside. Not yet. Okay, but what I do suspect is that yes, the market in Avalanche is going to be able to do that, break this market to the upside above 1650. Now outside of that 1650, where would be the next area? Yep, right there around 1750. Okay, so the price target that we have right now is $16.50. The second one is $17.50. Then the biggest and third area would have to be around 20. But I really don't suspect that the market in Avalanche is going to run up there to that $20 price. So let me do this. Market continues to hold this support area down here. We're going to place some strength into the market in Avalanche. I definitely like the market to hold this area for support. So I'm going to bring it. I'll bring it up there to around $14.45. we already know what the issue is. So if we don't see the price run up, we already know why. And it's because of this horizontal line right here. So let me extend this over so you all can keep that as a reference point. That first price target I told you all is around 1650. It's only 2.93%. It's not a lot, but hey, I understand. We know where the problems are. So before the market in Avalanche gets rejected right there around 1650, we want to grab the bag, grab the profitability out the market. The second one's around 1750. You guys can see it's around 9.3%. And then I'm going to top out the market in Avalanche. I said like $18.15. Okay. So this is a very small opportunity for us to see a small move. I'm not looking for nothing climactic, nothing huge in terms of a rally or in terms of a crash. I still suspect that given the last couple of traded days in Avalanche that this market is geared to continue to trend higher. So I'm going to play that, and we need to continue to see that. And our first hurdle is right here. So we'll see what happens. All right, give me your thoughts though. Make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe. Hit that like button and again, and try to share the videos, because I really want people to see how easy it is to predict prices without being confused. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.